How to change username in Spotify. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Spotify and make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see the home page of Spotify, from where you can search for and listen to the various songs. So in order to change the username, you need to first go to your profile settings. For that, you have to tap on the settings option in the right upper corner. From over here, you will be able to see your profile. You have to go for view profile option or the arrow at the right hand side. Once you are here, you will be able to see the edit option, which is just below to your profile picture in the left hand side. After that, you will be able to see the text field where your current username is available. In order to change, you need to simply tap on that, and from over here you can edit the name, and after entering, simply go for save option. So this is how you change username in Spotify. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.